Okay, so the Steam Machine is now officially available. Kind of. Okay, it is now available, but the thing that's now available is to join the list, as in the waiting list. Okay, so anytime before June 25th at 10 a.m. Pacific time, the list will be closed and it will be chosen at random. But so presumably that means you will get an email or something notifying you when if you're actually chosen. Now there are four options here for the Steam Machine, okay? We can go over the specs, the price, and whatnot. And we're going to see real quick there if there's a lot of difference in specs. Okay, it doesn't seem like there's too much difference in specs. Okay. Now the most expensive one is, well, let's start with the cheap one. 512 gigabyte model is priced at $1,049. That's at USD. We see semi-custom AMD Zen 4 6C/12T, semi-custom AMD RDNA 3, 28 CUs, 16 gigabyte DDR5 plus 8 gigabyte GDDR6 VRAM, 512 gigabytes, NVMe slot. I don't know why I had so much trouble saying that, but let's continue. Micro SD card slot, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, gigabit, gigabit Ethernet. So 1 gigabyte Ethernet, okay. Integrated Steam controller wireless adapter. So basically it should be just by default work with the Steam controller without needing for the wireless adapter. Small form factor, yeah, fine. SteamOS 3. Now, speaking of the Steam controller, you can actually buy it with the Steam controller for $1,128, which is a little bit of a deal because the Steam controller by itself is $99 if I recall correctly. But with that said, it's not currently in stock at the moment. So, but I don't know if that's any kind of makes any kind of difference because I don't know anyone out there who's willing to, you know, pay that kind of money just for the controller. But as you can see, other than the controller, the specs are, exactly the same. Now we get to the 2 terabyte model, which 2 terabyte model has everything just the same except for the fact that you'll get some extra face plates. Okay, these are the extra face plates that you'll get for your Steam machine, and of course it's a 2 terabyte model for $1,349. Okay, now if you want to do the same model with the Steam controller, it is $1,428. Now, I would also like to point out that all of these models, they run the same Zen 4 chip, the same RDNA 3 chip, okay? So it's not like the more expensive models run better RAM or better, VRAM or anything like that. Also, 16 gigabyte DDR5. I don't know if we went through this already, but yes, 16 gigabyte DDR5 is actually not bad for a gaming machine, I think. I don't know. I personally use 64 gigabytes in my current PC, so that's more than enough to run most, if not all, games. But with that said, that poses an interesting question. How many of you guys are excited to actually buy the Steam machine now that it's going to be finally released? How many of you guys are actually excited to buy it for personal use and whatnot, opposed to having your computer already that you currently have, which from these specs might be more powerful than this. I'm only saying that because of the fact that I feel like for me personally, my current computer is more powerful, but I feel like this has a certain niche area, if you will, such as, say you want to play your PC games, but you want to play them like while you're laying down or something, and you're literally only playing PC games. I feel like if the most powerful quote unquote PC gaming device you have is the Steam Deck, maybe you might want to pick this up because this runs SteamOS just like the Steam Deck runs SteamOS. So I guess it could be a way into the Valve ecosystem if that's something you want to get into. With that said, do you think there will ever be a Steam tablet or a Steam tablet? I know I said tablet twice, but that's because I thought of it twice. Or a Steam iPad. A Steam iPad. An iPad just with Steam and nothing else. It wouldn't be an iPad. It would call it Steam Pad. Okay, you know what? I'm getting a bit off the rails with this one, but it still stands. I'd like to know your thoughts on this. Do you think this is a bit too much money? So you're like, not really for me. Or you're like, yes, give me that 1,000%. Did you even have to ask? I wanted it yesterday. Let me know your thoughts on the topic, and do you think that this much money is too much? Because this is about the price of a PS5 or an Xbox Series X these days, if I recall. So it doubled the size of it doubled the price, about doubled the price of a Nintendo Switch 2 on the other hand. But see, that's the thing. Nintendo Switch 2s, I always say you shouldn't compare Nintendo Switch 2 as personal things to anything PC Steam related, only because your Nintendo is the only way you'll get Nintendo games, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm going on a tangent ramble now, so I'm going to end it off here. Let me know your thoughts about the Steam machine. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the feature later.